Hello, beautiful people. It's my again. Hello, I'm a fashion designer, a fashion creator, dressmaker. Nice to meet you all. So today I'm bringing you this lovely fashion tip. How I made happen this lovely luxury skirt with no sewing. Yes, no sewing at all. You can do the same as well. You just need a lovely stretchy material that you like, but pay attention that the stretch material needs to stretch on two ways. Yes, you will have good results. You don't need to do a hemming because mainly some stretchy materials they don't fray. Yes, I don't know if you know about this trick or not. Just try it and let me know. But I love it. I wore this on an event, not fashion event. I'm thinking on this fashion event, on an event, and all ladies was asking me about this. How did I did? So I'm sharing with you. Sharing is caring. Follow me for more, and thank you so much. Whoa, this is back. Thank you.